Здравствуйте! Today we learn how to ask back when somebody asks you, how are you? Here we go. Super simple. We just add «а», «у», «тебя» after our initial response. Let's try. Хорошо. А у тебя? Repeat after me, okay? Хорошо. А у тебя? Nice. Again, don't forget the questioning intonation. It's important. Хорошо, a little break, and questioning intonation. А у тебя? Okay. If everything is not good, not bad, we say нормально. Нормально. А у тебя? Нормально. А у тебя? Question mark. Don't forget. And of course, if everything is terrible, we say плохо. А у тебя? Плохо. А у тебя? Okay, super simple. So in English, you would just ask, and you? Good, you? So in Russian, this you is а у тебя. And what about you? Да, а у тебя? Как дела? Хорошо. А у тебя? И у меня хорошо. That's it for today. Tomorrow we'll learn how to say thank you in Russian. So stay tuned, press like under this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to learn the Russian language with me. Пока-пока!